The pre-order traversal sequence of a binary search tree is this one. So basically they are giving us the pre-order sequence of the binary search tree. Then they are saying which one of the following is post-order sequence of the same tree. So they are giving us few options, and out of that we have to find out the post-order. First of all, they have given us the sequence of pre-order, which is 30, 20, 10, 15, 25, 23, 39, 35, and 42. So this one is the pre-order sequence they have given to us, and we are aware that we cannot construct the tree without the in order. So first of all we have to find out the in order, and I guess everybody is aware that in order of the binary search tree is the proper sequence of all the numbers in the ascending order. So we are arranging all the numbers into the ascending order, and it will create the in order. So the ascending order sequence of all this is, it will be first of all 10, 15, 20, then we are having 23, then is 25, then is 30, then we are having 35, then 39, and last we are having is 42. So now this one is the pre-order and this one is the in order, and out of that we have to construct the tree. So first of all, in the pre-order, the first element is the root node. So we have to find out this 30. So this 30 becomes here. So this all will be the right subtree and this all will be the left subtree. So in left subtree we are having elements 10, 15, 20, 23 and 25. So please match 20, 10, 15, 25 and 23. These elements are matching. Then in the right subtree we are having 35, 39 and 42. So 39, 35 and 42 are matching. So this one is the pre-order where the elements are matching. And this one is the left subtree and this one is the right subtree. Next we have to see the next element, which is the first in the left subtree, which is 20, and 20 will be the parent of all of the elements under left subtree. So we will match over there. So 20 is here, that means 20 will be the parent and other elements will be the child of that, just like 10 and 15 this way, and 23 and 25 will be on the right hand side because they are coming on the left side, so they are the left child. They are coming on the right side, they are the right child. Now further we are matching 10 and 15, so 10 and 15 are matching. Then we are matching with 23 and 25, they are again matching. Again out of this one we are finding that 10 is the parent because it is coming first. So 10 is the parent. So if out of that 10 is the parent, then 15 is coming on the right of that. Now in right subtree we are matching that 25 is the parent because it is a pre-order and first one is always the parent. So if 25 is the parent, so 23 will come on the left hand side. So we are ready with the left subtree. So if we check that left subtree is ready and the node which is the root node is 30 and below that we are having 20, below that we are having 10 and 25 and below that we are having 15 and 23. So left subtree is ready. Now we have to create the right subtree. Now if we go to the right subtree, the 39 is the first, that means 39 is the parent. So over there 39 is the parent, so I am writing the parent over there 39, and 35 is this way and 42 is this way. So please match 35 and 42 are coming, and there is no confusion because one is on the left and one is on the right. So the tree is ready. So below the 30 it is 39 and below that we are having 35 which is on the left of 39 and we are having 42 which is on the right. Now we have to find out the post order traversal for this tree. Now if I select this particular area and out of that I have to find out the post order, then post order will be left, right and parent. So first of all left is 20, right is 39 and parent is 30. Then we are taking this area Again left, right and parent, which is 10, 25 and 20. 10, 25 and 20. Now I'm checking this area. Again left, right and parent, 35, 42 and 39. 35, 42 and 39. Now I will go with this area. There is no left child. So blank 15 and 10. So blank 15 and 10. Then I will go with this one. There is no right child. So 23 blank 25. 23 blank 25. So the option which is matching with 15, 10, 23, 25, 20, 35, 42, 39 and 30 is D option. So the D option is correctly matching with that sequence. So D is the answer of this question.